Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So, appoint. Appoint, to put something in a certain position or place with an organization. To put someone in a certain position in an organization. Yeah. So, he was appointed governor. He was appointed governor. Yeah. He will appoint me the deputy. I'm going to be appointed his deputy. Yeah. Second in command. How cool is that? She only appoints people she knows. Yeah. He will not appoint strangers to the lead. Yeah. He will not appoint strangers to the leadership roles. To the leadership roles. Yeah. They need to appoint someone with the right qualifications. Yeah, how cool is that? How cool is that? So I appointed myself as a teacher. A teacher. How cool is that? Yeah. So I appoint. I appoint. They appoint. You appoint. Yeah. You will appoint me as the manager. You will appoint me. I will appoint her soon. They'll need to appoint me tomorrow. Yeah, they'll appoint me tomorrow. But she appoints. He appoints. Yeah. Oops. Let's change that. Yeah. So she appoints him to be the manager. Makes sense. He appoints her to be the deputy, the assistant, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah. How cool is that? So she appointed her to the manager. Yeah. We are thinking about appointing him to the duties. Yeah. They'll need to appoint me instead of him. They'll need to appoint me, not him, but me, not him. Yeah. They will appoint someone to manage the new officers. See, I think they should appoint someone from the local area to manage that office. Appoint someone from that local area for that office. Appoint someone else from that area to appoint that office. Appoint someone from that office at that area to appoint that office. Yes. To manage that office. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So appoint. To put something in a certain position or place in an organization. To put something or someone. We appoint you the leader. They have appointed me as the educator. Yeah. How cool is that? So appoint. Yeah. Now, can you use appoint in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More lessons to come, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And yeah, you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.